Hi friends, welcome to Sims channel. Today we are unboxing the new fingerprint, fingerprint guard patrol system. This is the model is GP Finger 101. Actually, this is the new model. Uh, this one, and this is the Essl Finger 101. So this is the model. It's actually some weights are there compared to BT100. And also one data cable and also the 5 volt adapter. This data cable is the magnetic based. It's not a normal one, it's a magnetic based data cable. Now go with the registration. This is the model. It's have a torch light and also the fingerprint sensor mode, and also the one displays are there. So I'll check just the display. So got tour patrol, it's a missing serial number, and also some of records are there, and time. That's all. This is the fingerprint sensor.
Please collect fingerprints.
This is the torchlight, too powerful. Now connect with the software. Now I connected the machine to my laptop. Actually this is the magnetic base one, so it's not possible to reverse this, because it will be magnetically connected. So if I connect with the reverse, it's not will be connected. So just connected, just for a magnetic connectivity. And also it's charging mode. Defaultly if you connected with this PC, it automatically charging. One more thing, this machine not directly any registration, and also the any kind of settings, it's not connected with directly by machine. Only through the software only it will be connected the all data. So no user settings in the directly by machine. Only two keys are there, one for a serial number connectivity, one for a torch light. Now I show the software. This is the Intelligent Patrol Management System 2.0 software. This is the username is supervisor, and also the password is 999. Once I log in the software, just I show the data management. So first initially reader have a sum of data, so I just reader initialization. So I just reader initialization, it will be initialize the reader. So if any data are there in reader, it will be deleted. Now I added the new softwares. So now they entirely free. So first I add a guard setup. In the guard setup I add with the odd guard. Odd guard. It's a 10-digit user ID, so must with the 10-digit is must. Now I give the guard name just Muthu. Then confirm. Now I add a one guard name, and also I click the guard name, and also I collect fingerprint. So if
Please place your finger.
Now the scan collect option is there in machine, so I just my full finger is there.
Please lift your finger.
Please
place your finger.
3 times it will be registered. Three
Please
times
lift your
need
finger.
for registration.
Please place your finger. Fingerprint collection is successful.
So collection successfully. So fingerprint 1 is there. So if you want to multiple fingerprints, you add with the fingerprint. Now the fingerprint is stored in database only, so it's not in machine. So now I just download fingerprint to machine. It will be show the system synchronization. Download successfully. Now the fingerprint will be saved with the machine. So guard will be added. Next go to the checkpoint setup. Checkpoint setup means where is the checkpoint will be, your guard will be go. So now no data are there, so now I go to registered with the checkpoint. Now I have a 2 RFID card. You can 125 kilohertz RFID, you can use any RFID. No issue. So now I just scan my fingerprint.
Please verify the fingerprint.
In case it's show with re-verify, you
please
scan.
Reading the checkpoint.
This is the please reading checkpoint. So now I scan.
Reading successful.
Okay, reading successful. Now I show the another one more time
Please
scan.
reading the checkpoint. Reading successful.
Okay, reading successful. Actually, the reader RFID reader is in the front panel. Okay, so you directly show that it will be read. Okay, so two readings are there. Okay, so now we have a two RFID. So just patch read. Okay, show it the back read. It will be received from reader data. Okay. Okay, two data are there. So if you change the modify the name, it will be please change the modify name if you want. Okay, otherwise you go with it. Okay. Okay, that's all. We go with the next. Okay, so we have two checkpoints and also the guardrails. Then go with the plan setup. Okay, so plan setup, add plan, and then two checkpoints names are there. Add all. Okay, patrol plan. Okay, if you want any plan. Okay, then go with the patrol setup schedule. Sorry, schedule. Then go with the schedule. If you give any specific guard, you select it. Otherwise, you don't select any guard. It will be automatically. So what's the start time of the patrol? Okay. So I'll just put my patrol time is evening 6. Okay. And also the end with the next day morning. So if the end with next morning, you select this one. Okay. Otherwise, don't select it. Same day, not possible. So what's the round? So every 60 minutes, and they will be rounded. So next time I don't informed. Okay, so confirm. So totally 60 minutes have a one patrol we need it. Okay, so this time to this time. Okay, any one reader needed. Okay, then any day of any Sunday will be holiday, you can use it. Otherwise, no issue. Okay, then confirmed. Okay. Okay, it's saved. Okay, so this is the plan. You assign with the reader only, it will be work. Okay, so I assign with the reader. You just search. Okay, assign reader, it will be searched directly, and also the confirm. Okay. Okay, that's all. So it will be assigned. Okay. uh, okay, so first we added guard and also checkpoint and also the plan. That's all. Now we go to the basic operation. Okay, all data are moved to the machine. Okay, now I go with the patrol. Okay, so first I just put my finger in the machine.
Reading the checkpoint.
So please reading the checkpoint, then I show the reading. Okay,
Reading successful.
so reading successful. Then I go to the second patrol. So this is the second reading. So I just put my finger.
Please reading the checkpoint.
So please reading the checkpoint. I show my second
Reading
one.
successful.
So two details are, so totally two checkpoint. So I have completed. So totally 4 records are there. Okay, initially we collect with the 2 records. Okay, now connect with the machine to the software. Okay. Okay, now I connected to the machine to the software. Then go with the read data. Okay, so if I connect with the read data, reading one pieces of data. Okay, so data will be readed. Save data successful. System will analyze data package. Okay, then finished. Then go with the history data. Okay, history data you just inquire. So totally 4 data are there. Okay, so 2 is now current patrol. First 2 is just a checkpoint reading. Okay, so totally 4 are there. Now I go with the, this is the log only. Okay, so now I go with the report. Okay, so we just go with the report and also select inquiry. Okay, so this is the patrol plan. Okay, so actually please see the fourth one. The actually 9 to 10 is the patrol time, plan is 3, and also plan times actually 2 times, arrived 2, so no omission. Okay, so this patrol is successfully completed. Next patrol time is 10 to 11, and also next, once you check the report, just click the clear reader data. Okay, so every new data will be easily understand it. So I clear data from the machine. Okay, if you want to delete the fingerprint, and also you just clear one. Okay, so and also if you change the reader timing, just change the reader timing. Okay, so it's a current time will be automatically adjust. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the patrol setup, and also this is the data management for a system database initialization, and also the modify passwords and also reader initialization. Okay, so go with the reader parameters, then go to the fingerprint condition. So if I change the fingerprint condition is disabled and also set up. So if I directly show the RFID cards, okay. Now I disable the fingerprint condition. Now I just go with any checkpoint and also show the machine.
Reading successful.
Directly it will be reading, okay. So another machine.
Reading successful.
Reading successful. So in case I go with any same pattern, it will be not show, not recorded, okay. How many times I show, it will be not recording. Only new pattern only showed.
Reading successful.
So if anybody tell it's not recorded, they will be same RFID they will be showed, okay. So once the patrol is reading successful, go with another patrol only, okay. That's all. Thank you.